That's right, guys. It's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this time from the balcony overlooking the NYSE. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I'm still hyped about that fight in 2 months, but I'm trying to calm down because there's a lot to talk about today. The markets, they're soaring, touching record high levels, and I think this definitely calls for a celebration. But because I obviously can't sneak in a drink to the New York Stock Exchange, I'll let you guys get started first. Because it's about that time. The markets, they're almost about to close. It's almost 4 o'clock. And that's right, it's time for happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, it's been one heck of a surprising and strong afternoon here at the New York Stock Exchange, with the Dow trading near and at record high levels as the first day of Fed Chair Janet Yellen's 2-day congressional testimonies indicated that a rate hike would come later rather than sooner. And that has the market celebrating. So here are the details. Yellen's prepared remarks said no rate hike is expected for the next few FOMC meetings. She later said in a Q&A that the Fed would not raise rates before it found confidence in the economic recovery, overcoming current concerns about the labor market, below objective inflation, and the decline in energy prices. In other words, it's going to take a lot to see rates rise in the near future. Follow me? And because we haven't stopped talking about it for quite a few days, why stop now? Stocks little moved on news before the bell that Eurozone finance ministers officially approving a 4-month bailout extension for Greece. The country sending in its economic reform plan, including measures to crack down on tax evasion as well as corruption, to the Eurozone overnight. While on the data front, the S&P Case-Shiller Composite Index of home prices in 20 cities increasing by 4.5% in December, and U.S. consumer confidence falling more than expected in February, pulling back from a multi-year high. Now, you team that with the stronger greenback, gold prices down about 0.25%, and crude oil prices rising to remain just shy of $50 a barrel, then we have yourself a session where advancers are just a step ahead of decliners over at the New York Stock Exchange right behind me right now. Let's take a look to see how the markets have closed out this volatile but mostly strong trading session. And on the corporate front, Macy's reporting earnings for the holiday quarter that missed analyst expectations. Home builder Toll Brothers easily topping expectations and earnings and revenue as the firm sold more homes at higher prices. And Home Depot constructing fourth quarter earnings that beat expectations, with same-store sales rising 7.9% in the quarter. And I have a funny feeling I'm part of the reason why, because I'm always there. Always. And with that stated, grab yourself a drink, have yourself a good time. If you're in New York City, please stay warm because it's still cold outside. Isn't it supposed to be warming up soon? Well, Manny Pacquiao, that's all that matters. Until tomorrow morning, from ModernWallStreet.com from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney.